Hi, I'm Ken Rockwell. Not in my usual soundproof studio today. You can hear the echoes, but hey, I've got my Studio SM81 microphones fired up here so you can hear the reverb and all. Anyway, I'm Ken Rockwell. Let's open my new, I think this is a Nikon Z 180 to 600 millimeter that we've all been waiting for. So let's see. Got this from my friends at B&H. I've been shopping from them since the 70s because they always have the right products at the right price. Never give me any whatever. I love these guys. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. We got this on camera. This is good. Glorious 4K. Discrete 2-channel extended ORTF stereo. Look how they pack this thing. This is good because this is packed in such a way that the box is not going to get marred, so your box will be pristine. I know some people get all bent out of shape about these boxes. Honestly, if the box, they could slap a shipping label on this box and it would be good to go because this box protects the lens from being dropped or anything else. And yes, indeed, it's my Nikon 180 to 600 millimeter. This is a pretty big box. I've got really big hands and you can see it's a long box, but we expected that. Let's see what we get inside. Okay, we have a little cardboard box and I'm assuming that this should be our hood. Maybe warranty, who knows. Yeah, this is our hood. Nice chunky plastic hood, made in China. No news for that. Oh, and we have, they call this a case. I remember my 400 millimeter of 2.8 came in a plywood metal roadie case, plywood and metal corner roadie case. This is a crummy little, it's a sack. So, although this is probably longer than my socks, but still, not that big a deal. So we'll put that away. And let's see what we got for a lens. Okay, we have got, here's a warranty card. What's important is, hey, we can zoom in here. Make sure the serial number matches the one on your box, and most importantly, matches the one on your lens. And most importantly, Nikon Inc., United States. It's got to say United States. If you're an American like me, it needs to say United States in that warranty card, otherwise you got stuck with a gray market item. Okay, here's a user's manual. It's a big sheet. We know these. Several languages. Let's see what we got. Okay, cardboard. Oh, come on, man. I remember the foam they used to have, which was nice. And what do we got? Wrapped in yet more bubble wrap? You guys are going to laugh if I drop this lens. Hey, oh, I'm sorry. I just opened up the glorious Canon 24 to 105 f2.8 lens, which comes with a real padded case. So you open up the box, you get to open up the padded Velcro, what do you call it? Nylon Velcro padded case. This is just a lens in a plastic bag. Oh, that's so sad. Anyway, we've got our lens. I always check for authenticity here. It's made in China. Great. Thanks, Nikon. It's got a big boy 95 millimeter size here, which is good because this is a reasonable size still. Looks like, yeah, plastic threads. Par for the course. But then again, they're asking a bargain price for this. This is not that expensive a lens. And this will be the go-to lens for all bird photography and everything else with the Nikon cameras at a reasonable rate. So you really have to thank Nikon for making this. We've got we actually got 4 lens function buttons. Tripod collar. The foot doesn't come off, but whole collar comes off, easy peasy. Doesn't have any click stops. At least they thought to paint the dots. Oh, they even marked the collar for what it fits. I guess it's not that universal a collar. I'll rip this off later. Auto, manual focus, focus limiter. Where's the VR switch? Excuse me. Oh, well, it's got VR. No VR switch. Thanks, Nikon. Thanks a lot. That means you have to go in menus. You put this thing in a tripod. I got to go find the VR thing in your menus. Great. Well, you get what you get today. Outside's mostly plastic. Collar is metal. Mount is metal. I haven't checked the specs, but this should work with teleconverters, which is critical because you see it's got a lot of clearance in there. It's an internal zoom. This is going to be a good lens for Nikon shooters. It's got a rubber bumper up here. And that should be it. Thanks again for watching KenRockwell.com here on KenRockwell.tv.